found myself in a cemetery. Creepy. It was cold. I could see my breath crystallizing in the air. How did I get here? Why was I here? What? What was that? I backed away slowly, but I felt like I could barely move. My body would not obey my brain. I realized I'd have to fight. I reached in my pockets, grasping for anything to help. I felt something spongy. Without even looking, I knew it was waffles. Thank goodness. I knew I was saved. There are only two things zombies truly fear: waffles and math. I quickly threw some of the waffles to the ground. They split into fractions. Hey zombies, look! Waffle fractions! You know you want to learn more about fractions. Well, a fraction is a part of a whole. If you split a waffle into pieces, you now have fractions of a waffle. Cut it once, and you end up with two even pieces of one whole. They are called halves. One half is written like this. The number on the top is the numerator, and the one on the bottom is the denominator. Here's one half for each of you. Cut the halves in half, and now you have 4 pieces of one whole waffle. Each piece is a fraction of the whole, called 1/4. Here, take that! Cut the fourths in half, and now you have 8 pieces of one whole. Each part is called 1/8. Have some! You can see that sometimes the same amount of waffle has more than one name. 1/2 is also called 2/4, and it's also called 4/8. These are called equivalent fractions because they equal the same amount of waffle. When we look at just one piece, whether it is a half, a fourth, or an eighth, you can see the larger the denominator, the smaller the amount of waffle. But when we look at lots of pieces of the same size, like 7/8, we can see that a bigger numerator gives us a larger amount of waffle. Have some more! We don't have to cut up the waffles to find fractions. This group of waffles also shows us a fraction. Out of the 3 waffles, 1 is blue. That means that 1 out of 3, or 1/3 of the waffles, are blue. Here, take that! Then I ran for my life. What a weird dream.